Hello, my beautiful friends. Desiree here, and welcome back to Danzique Fitness. Today's video is going to be an informative video, and we are going to talk all about neck pain. This is probably the number one thing that I get asked about all the time, and I understand because it is really such a common thing to experience, especially when you're starting out in Pilates. But don't worry, I'm going to share with you my secrets to preventing neck pain, and you won't ever have to worry about it again, I promise. So one of the main causes is you are placed very well, but you are simply just taking a lot of strain in your neck. Now, this is a very common thing, but the good news is the more you strengthen your core, the less tension you will naturally take in your neck, okay? So if you are placed correctly, just keep up with your ab exercises, and I promise you, the stronger your core gets, the less tension you'll take in your neck, all right? Okay, so let's talk about placement next. As you can see, I just curled my head, neck, and shoulders off my mat using my core. And when you are 100% using your core, you don't take any tension in the neck, and you can freely move your head side to side, which is our ultimate goal, all right? Now, you can also see how my head and neck is in a continuation of the natural curve of my spine when in that crunched position. That is what we want. Okay, so let me show you a couple of wrong examples so you can really see the difference. I'm going to curl up my head, neck, and shoulders, but I'm really just using my neck to curl up. I'm not really engaging in my core, and this is not comfortable at all. It does not feel good. Here's another example. I'm going to fling my head back with my face reaching up towards the sky. That causes so much neck tension. We don't want that either. Those are probably the two most common wrong position. So here is the correct position once again, and hopefully you can really see the difference. I tell my students all the time, make a fist and place your fist under your chin. That is about the distance you want your chin tucked. I also say to my students, pretend like there's an apple under your chin. Don't let that apple go. And I feel like when I say that, all of a sudden everyone has their chin in the correct distance from their chest, and it really, really helps them out a lot. So now I'm going to lace up my fingers and place my hands behind my head. Now, when you are in a crunch position and you are using the assistance of your hands behind your head, make sure you keep those elbows nice and wide. So once again, I'm going to show you the correct position first. As you can see, the head and neck are in a continuation of the natural curve of the spine when in this crunch position. My elbows are nice and wide, and I'm really pressing my whole spine down into my mat, also called imprinting the spine. This is where we want to be, all right? So from here, I'm going to just lower back down, and once again, let me show you some wrong examples so you can really see the difference. Ugh, look at this one. Not good. I'm not really engaging in my core. I am tugging and pulling on my head and neck. This does not feel good. My elbows are coming in. This is not going to benefit you whatsoever. You are going to be in pain. So here's that example number 2. My elbows are wide, but once again, my face is reaching up towards the sky. Look at the distance between my chin and my chest. That is way too much. So here we are back in the correct position, and automatically it just takes any strain. And again, I'm going to show you that fist, placing the fist under my chin. It's always good to do that just as a little check. And as I said earlier, if you feel like you are in the correct place, but you are still experiencing neck pain or discomfort, please know that I was there too. When I first started practicing Pilates, I really had a lot of neck pain, and it wasn't due to my placement. It was simply due to the fact that I was compensating for the lack of core strength and therefore taking all this strain and tension in my upper body, okay? So I really urge you to focus on your placement and just keep up with your core exercises, and I promise you that pain will go away the stronger your core gets. Okay, friends? All right. Please give this video a thumbs up if you learned something, and please share this video with your friends so no one has to experience neck pain at all ever during their ab workouts. All right, take care of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.